Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you 5 ways you can take screenshots on your Samsung phone. So the first step is the one everybody knows about, which is the quick panel. You have to just scroll down on your screen and you're going to see take a screenshot. Then you click on that and it's going to take a screenshot. Then the second way is the Edge panel. I doubt if everybody knows about this one, but let me show you how it works. You just have to click a little bit on your side Edge panel and you are going to see this is going to pop up. So you can see this blue kind of screenshots. You just have to click on that. This actually gives you the opportunity to make any shape of your choice. You can see tap or draw around to select, so you can actually make any shape you want or just capture anyone you want. So after doing that, you can now click on this to save it, right? So it's very simple. So I'm going to show you how to actually turn on your Edge panel. Go to your settings and let me close up this app. Go to your phone settings and you scroll down to display, open display up, scroll down and you can see Edge panel. So you just have to turn this on. So when it is on, you're going to have that effect. So that is the second way. And the third way is the palm swap. This one is not actually available for any kind of Android phone. It's actually just for Samsung. You just have to swipe from one side of your screen from one side to another. Make sure you're stable to actually do that. So it's going to take a screenshot, right? So this is actually how to use it. You can see, just take a screenshot. So the fourth way is the assistant menu. You can see this on my screen right here. This circle is when you just put, you can see recent, home, back, screen off, volume, screenshot, and this one is it was all available for iPhone users but now available for a Samsung. You just have to click on that and click on screenshot and it's going to take a screenshot for you right there. So I'm going to show you how to turn on this one. You have to go to your phone settings and close up the app. Go to your phone settings and scroll down to accessibility. Click on that and you click on interaction and density and you can see assistant menu right there. Make sure it's on. So once it's on, you can now have access to this right here. You can see. So the fifth one is the one everybody knows again, which is the popular one, the one you can use your volume button and your power button to take a screenshot. Yes. So these are the 5 ways you can actually take a screenshot on your Samsung phone. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.